This is the 10-year reading for Citigroup shares throughout the years of 2020 through 2029. Before we get into it, guys, support the channel. There's two really good ways you can do that. You can go to Kickstarter.com and search for our financial astrology application. It's called SOMeta.com. One word, SOMeta. Right? The other way you could support when you make money from this reading, take a little bit of that paid forward, take a little bit of that and pay it back to the Cash App, REFERRAL'S right here, and support the channel and my team, my friends. Much appreciated. So the 10-year, guys, overall theme for Citigroup is notable move higher, guys. This will be a good lucrative stock over 10 years to be owning. It's crossed with profit taking off of a near overbought crest on RSI. The behavior around the 10-year high on a multi-year chart, it's going to be a notable rally into the 10-year high. It'll stand out on a multi-year chart. Behavior around the low, we'll see movement sideways along a support level. We move higher, meet the nearest resistance, and then decline back to that support level and continue moving sideways along it. That's the behavior around the year's low, or the 10-year low, excuse me. All right, so for 2020, we have quite a bit of volatility. There was an important resistance level highlighted. 2021, bearish price swings with a notable decline. 2022, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. Third cross confirms a bullish trend. 2023, we have a notable opportunity, trade opportunity there. I'll come back to that in a moment. And it looks like we have a decline in 2024, a prominent decline on a multi-year chart that will stand out and also offer a opportunity to open up a short position, or excuse me, a long position. 2025, we have sideways rotation along a key support level, and that increases with bullish sentiment and momentum moving into the end of the year. 2026, we have back and forth erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. We revisit a recent past crest or a recent opportunity at a past crest in the midst of that erratic behavior. 2027, we have a sideways fluctuations with a declining trend, but it precedes a rally. 2028, we're range bound in 2028, so looks like likely the bottom end of a range is met and we move higher, or the bottom end of a range is met here, we turn around and we hit the upper end of a range. I'll look at that a little closer as well. Looks like there's resistance there, so you know what, it's both the bottom of a range and the top of a range. We meet the bottom of the range out of this sideways decline, and then we meet the top of the range as we enter into 2029. It looks like we hit that key resistance level there. Looks like in the midst of these three crisscrosses, there's a rally that forms in here. And it looks like we meet a key resistance level in 2023. An opportunity to play both sides, to cover long positions or to open up straddles or strangles. Make some money in the midst of this decline here, and then make some money here. So I make some money selling puts in the decline in 2024. Make some money selling calls in the in that erratic behavior where we revisit a past opportunity at a recent high or crest. So I can get out of them both there, it looks like, and then there's a decline this year. So yeah, that's what I would likely do. Likely get in towards the end of the year here or in 2023. In both, and use the 2023 volatility to open up both directions, right? And then in 2024, sell the puts. 2026, sell the calls. That's my trade for Citigroup over the 10-year period, 2020 to 2022. Guys, you want to see more of this? Hit that like button. You want to see more 10 years? Hit that like button. You want to see more Citigroup? Hit that like button. Most importantly, guys, if you want to show support, go check us out, someta.com, or go to Kickstarter and search SOMETA, one word. You make that money from the reading. Pay a little bit of that back to us at REFERRAL'S on Cash App. Much appreciated. Thanks for your support. I'll see you guys on the next one.